Welcome to our Mapping Sculpture Factory, an art world covering an area of 5,000 square meters. Here is the intersection of creativity and craftsmanship. We 110 craftsmen gathered to create stunning sculpture masterpieces. First, we will enter the exhibition hall, a space full of inspiration, displaying the diverse aspects of sculpture. From abstract works of art to classic traditional sculptures. Each piece is the result of the craftsman's ingenuity. Walking through the exhibition hall, we come to the forging workshop, which is the cradle of creation. Under high temperatures, the raw materials are shaped by hammers and flames into the prototype of the sculpture. The cutting process shows its magic here, as craftsmen skillfully carve each piece of material to lay a solid foundation for subsequent processes. When you step into the welding workshop, fireworks are everywhere, and the welding gun is like a dancing. Craftsmen skillfully piece together the cut pieces to create magnificent sculptural forms. This is the perfect combination of art and craftsmanship, and every weld is a deep contribution to creation. In the polishing workshop, silver white light shines in the space. This is the second birth of sculpture. Craftsmen use manual polishing technology to carve every inch of the surface and polish every detail to perfection, adding soul to the artwork. Finally, we come to the realm of spray painting to add color to the sculpture. The exquisite skills of the craftsman give the sculptures vivid colors. Through meticulous spray painting, making each work a unique work of art. In this 5,000 square meter factory, every process is a reflection of the craftsman's love and pursuit of art. And every sculpture is the crystallization of exquisite skills and endless creativity. Here, it is not only a factory, but also a place where art and crafts meet, witnessing the brilliant fusion of ingenuity and creativity.
记得点赞关注哦。